What's up, everybody? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Welcome to the Johndy Lewis Show. Welcome to the Johndy Lewis Academy. Give your lifestyle a fresh start and create abundance. Yeah, so let's do a recap of gold real quick. So, if you go watch my last videos, I've already analyzed this. There, you already see this, everything's set up. You go watch my last two videos, you're gonna see how I did it. I'm not gonna go over this, and I explain everything, the psychological lines and everything. So we're gonna do it for today. Yeah, let's figure it out. Okay, so now the pair is at the 1850 psychological level. Now you notice every time you get to this level, it get really interesting, right, guys? Look, check this out. We're not gonna go too far, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so last time, what day was this? December 21. Yeah, so around date. All right. So around November 2021, price got up to the 1800, right? And it consolidated. So it went up there, it broke above the 1800, it retested it, rejected it, but it was already on like a long uptrend, right? You can see right here. Uptrend. Right? So for it to be a downtrend, it would have to break the trend line, right? So it went up there. It didn't go below the moving average. Then it shot back up with a big Maribozu, right? But then it went up again, right? It retested, it went up, retested it again, rejected it, went up, retested it, rejected it, rejected it. So as you see, it's always a tug of war when you get there, right? When you get to that level, you know what I'm saying? Now you get, when the last time it was there again, like over here. But usually when you get to the level, it's just gonna go all the way up, all the way down, right? Sometimes, right? Most times. So it goes here, it rejected it, and it started going up, making higher high, low high high, up to the trenches, right? So now we get here. That was made. So second May, that's the second May, got here. It kind of consolidated here, went up. So now you got this trend down, right? But then it kept going down trend, but now it just broke the trend line, right? Now it's trading right here. So yesterday, I think I placed the order yesterday, day before. So now price is above here. Now I see when I saw this right here, right? When I saw on the hourly chart, so price already broke up here, right? And then it rejected, right? It rejected it, came down, validated a little bit, right? I saw this big Maribozu up. That's confirmation number one. Then it rejected it, but then it gave this big Maribozu engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 candles, which gave me confirmation that price was gonna go up, right? But it didn't. Even though it closed above, right, it came back down. So, and I always wait for that, right, the pullback, right? So, but then I saw this right here. This I guess you could say this is a reverse hammer or a shooting star, right? A reverse hammer, a hammer, reverse hammer, hammer, doji. Now this doji right here is really the confirmation, and as you know, it's going up, high, and I said, okay, then I'm gonna buy, right? So because I know that the next candle is gonna be at least this high, so I bought here. But once I saw this big candle, I sold the pair. You know what I'm saying? But now I'm just playing it by ear, like I always say, meaning that I'm watching to see what it's doing. It already this a retest, because you remember usually when it breaks a consolidation, which you wait for the retest. It already did the retest. I'm very careful with gold because gold is very volatile. You know what I'm saying? This big jump right here was about 10 pips, which is $100 in gold, right? So really 1,000 pips. You know what I'm saying? So $1,000, right? So that's if you trade like standard lot size. It depends on the lot size too. But I'm just I kind of want to get in it. My problem with gold is man, stop losses and the spread be so long. So because it engulfed half of it right here. So I guess this, you could say this is a hammer right here. Like this is a hammer. This is a shooting star, right? I gotta get to work, so I'm probably not gonna. Oh no. I never want to get in at the wrong time. You know what I'm saying? Like when I saw this one right here, this big marabouts, I knew. And I saw this right here. It's bet on the 1 hour, right? I knew to buy, but right here I can't really tell. Just gonna see what it's gonna do in the what it's gonna do in the hourly chart. Like I said, it's still over here. It gets really interesting up here, you know what I'm saying? So what price could do? Price could do this. Continue. I expect price to at least go up here. You know what I'm saying? And how I figured that out is that this is consolidation, right? Usually when price is consolidating, and I'm always saying that. Usually when price is consolidating, consolidation right here. Right here. Yeah. You just copy and clone it. You put one at the top, at the bottom. Usually, price go that much. Reverse. Continue going up. Now, if you reverse, like if it go like here, first, come all the way back down here. Like I said, you gotta play it by ear. Right? Yep, which is about the same square of the box. And I wasn't even thinking about it like that. You know what I'm saying? It just, that's the next resistance. You know what I'm saying? Understanding psychological levels. That's why it's very important to understand the psychological levels. That's why most people fail in Forex, not because they don't know how to trade. One of the main reasons why people fail in Forex is the psychology, man. The psychology is very hard to learn. The technical side, I picked that up ASAP. You know what I'm saying? I was good within a week. I knew what everything, I'm saying, what everything meant. You know what I'm saying? And I kept it simple, stupid. KISS. So all I use is the moving average. This is the moving average I use. I use the 50, 100 to see where it's doing long term. Now, if you want to know about moving average, go to babypips.com. I started off at babypips.com. 54.21, a little bit shorter, longer too, but a little bit shorter. That's for like intro, because then I'm really a day trader / intraday trader. I don't like to scalp, you know what I'm saying? my mind be all over the place. I get too emotional. You know what I'm saying? I keep losing money on a lot of fake out. And there are people that are successful at scalping. If you got the patient and the mental fortitude to scalp, go for it, because a lot of people aren't actually successful at it, believe it or not. Me, I could be successful at scalping, but I don't have that kind of control over my emotion, being honest. So I stick to what? To something longer term. Day trader. I really don't like to have all these. Like once, okay, I'll keep that one. This me. Oh. Yep. Confirm it's an uptrend. To me, it's an uptrend. I suspect price to go to 1891 maybe. And then, oh yeah, and then we also have this big trend line. This is the major trend line. This is a mini trend line. This could be a little counter trend line, maybe. There's so many different ways, man, to trade, you know what I'm saying? What you gotta do is you gotta find one that works for you. You know what I'm saying? That's what I did. It took me a long time, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. This wasn't overnight. I wish it was. Learn this. So yeah, it could be a reverse counter trend. So if it breaks below here, I'm gonna be looking to take it back to 1800. You know what I'm saying? Below 1836. But right now, I'm certain it's gonna go up. Play it by ear. Oh yeah, I expect the price to go here. Up to the trench. Now remember, we trade on probabilities. We don't trade on possibilities. We trade on probabilities, and I mean that it probably will do that based on what it's done in the past. You know what I'm saying? I'm still up on that one. I still think it's gonna go up. I mean, this was a retest, and covered half of it. Way up there though. This is what I mainly use. I guess. Okay, no. So did it close? Let me clear this out. Yeah, so okay. Yeah. Make that 1865 flat. Okay, so really, I don't know. The battle might not be over with yet. So we know on 1865 it closed. We went up here, rejected it, went up there. You got this pushed, and they got this big Maribozu in the 15 minutes. Maribozu in the 1 hour. Yeah, I think that baby's going up. 4 hours uptrend, but can't really tell because, man, the 1 hour. See what the 1 hour do. Okay, so look, in 15 minutes already. Yeah, so I gotta go, guys. All right, so I guess I don't know. It would have to close above here. Let's see what it do. Like, I mean, this is hammer. Got this big Maribozu. You can never really tell with gold, man. Sometimes gold will flip on you. Little doji right here, right? Okay, I'm gonna buy it, guys. I'm gonna buy. Confident on the buy. Could be wrong. Not right all the time. I would consider this a retest, right? In the 5 minutes. Let me see. Early. Yeah, I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna, yeah, cause I gotta go. So I'm just gonna. I'm not always right. I might end up giving back everything I made today. Just gotta take the risk. It's all about the risk. Stop loss. I'm going to place my stop loss. Yeah, I could. A minute. Kind of dangerous here, man. It's dangerous territory. Dangerous territory. So what would I take it to? 1865. Nah, I'm not gonna do all that. Now let me go back to my original. I originally had it. Just made a copy. There you go. Yeah, so I'm back to my original prediction. Probably gonna go hit 1891. So I'm gonna take profit at 1891. I'm gonna make it 1890 flat. Hold on. 1890. That's really that's kind of risky. Manage it a little bit. So the reason why I put this little box around it to say that usually price don't go all the way there. Sometimes they go near it. Okay, I'm gonna say 1888. 8. Okay, so where am I? Did I buy it? I bought it on the 5 minutes, right? This is really risky. Around here. Cause I'm looking for 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. Really risky. What this one? 2-to-4. Okay. I don't even know if I bought it there, y'all. Hold on, cause I'm not being super accurate. 2-4. That's not really. 2-4. Not really attractive to me. Probably bought this too early too. I'll do the retest, man. Yeah, yeah, it's gonna go up there. I don't know. Oh, all right. Close above. It close. Then it's kind of giving it all back right here. It could hit it, retest it, continue up. Probably should have waited till the hit down here before buying. Then I could have got in for a smoother. I wasn't patient. I should have just waited for this one to close right here. This 1 hour. But I gotta go. Hey guys, where's my stop loss? I really don't like putting my stop loss so short because sometimes to take it, then so I'm just 1853.5. So if I lose, $2,250. I win. $4,804. See what happens.